you guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay, and in today's video I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the Juvia's Place Nubian eyeshadow palette. Kikay is a Filipino slang word for someone who loves makeup, beauty, and fashion, and on this channel, those are exactly the types of videos that I create, with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. I've recently been going through my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, and imagine my shock and horror when I realized on my YouTube channel, I have not yet created a dedicated video to this eyeshadow palette. This Nubian palette by Juvia's Place has been out for a little while now. This is probably the most neutral eyeshadow palette that they have come out with, besides the Warrior 1 and Warrior 2 eyeshadow palettes. The Warrior 3, on the other hand, is a whole different story, but we're going to get to that. It is coming in the mail, which I'm really excited about. But in today's video, we're talking about the Nubian 1. This is the first neutral palette that they ever came out with, and I've had a few requests from you guys asking me to create a look from this palette, because obviously it is a very neutral palette, and not everybody wants to go out wearing bright, colorful rainbow eyes now, do we? Again, natural or neutral eyeshadow is relative to people. Your idea of natural makeup might be very, very different from mine. So I'm going to be creating what I believe is a really good neutral eyeshadow look that might be good for going to work or going to meetings, or when you just want something on the eyes to look professional and presentable, but nothing that's too overboard with makeup. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this palette today. If you want to see that, then just keep on watching. But before you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Let's get started on this video. guys enjoyed it. I really do love using this Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. It is so neutral, and this is one of 3 palettes that I like to travel with. I really love traveling with this palette as well because it's so small, it's so compact, and it's got all the shades that you need in it to be able to create a glam look or a natural look or a smoky look or just anything that you wouldn't require a bright pop of blue color for. The Kathleen Lights and Morphe eyeshadow palette and the Kathleen Lights Colourpop Dream Street palette, and this palette are the 3 palettes that I will alternate between to pack for traveling depending on what I know the activities are going to be for whenever I'm going away. But I really love this palette because you can create a really dark smoky eye with this one really dark shadow here and then dress it up with the bright shimmery shadows that are in the palette, or you can create a very matte neutral type of look with the 4 matte brown shadows that are in this palette as well. So very versatile. You can use it for a great many things. This makeup look is so quick and easy. I can just very quickly slap it on, blend it into my crease, pat a bit of shimmer on the eyes, mascara and eyeliner, and I am good to go and out the door. If I were doing YouTube full time, and then hopefully by that point I'll be having meetings and I'll be having business meetings and this and that and the other, and in my mind's eye, I know I'm not even anywhere close to being there yet, but in my mind's eye, this is the type of makeup look that I would throw on for a business meeting if I wanted to feel sophisticated and look like I know how to do makeup but didn't want to put too much effort doing it. I would definitely gravitate towards this palette. It's great for work, for school, for meetings, for whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you do want to see more looks using this eyeshadow palette or literally any of the other Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, and I will definitely create them for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here at this point in the video, comment down below any emojis that are green. Let's see how many green emojis we can fill up on the comment section of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, ring that notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Alright, that'll do, donkey. This makeup look is probably that I can just very quickly, comment down below the emoji times already in this video, guys, in this video.